On March 16, 2024, officers were dispatched to an officer-involved shooting that turned into a vehicle pursuit on the border of Illinois and Wisconsin.
Great Hill, Great Castro, shot fired.
Copy, suspect, Great Castro.
Hey, black hair, great pants.
Girl, male Hispanic, black hair, right hand. Unit is 1078 now with shots fired.
We need medical now? Female gunshot wound.
Female with a gunshot wound. Any officers injured?
No officers injured.
Copy, no officers injured. Take that direct.
Okay.
I got a maroon SUV leaving, maroon Trailblazer towards 251. Hoodie, male Hispanic, he's taking off.
Have for possible suspect that is maroon SUV Chevy Trailblazer taking off.
We're westbound on Prairie Hill. Crossing railroad tracks coming up to Door Road. Prairie Hill, Door Road, westbound. It'll be a maroon Chevy Trailblazer. It's a Wisconsin 28. I can't copy it yet.
You're crossing railroad tracks for Illinois.
Speed's 95, continuing westbound, light traffic, speed 75, 95. We're blue the stop sign at Door Road, continuing westbound. For the South Beloit High School, we got moderate traffic, continuing westbound. Westbound Class Whittemore, continuing westbound, going to incoming traffic, we're speed 75.
Network, keep it coming.
We're slowing down in front of the Dollar General, we're continuing westbound, speed's about 65.
Got an ambulance coming for the female, correct?
Have where we do.
We just passed Blackhawk, continuing westbound, crossing the river. We're pulling onto South Bluff, northbound, notifies Rock County front.
This other officer is taking a different route to cut the suspect off.
And we're oncoming traffic heading northbound. Speed's 90 miles an hour, no traffic. Speed 76, continuing northbound. We're turning onto Rood Avenue, continuing northbound Rood Avenue. Just past Center, Blue stop sign at Center. We're stopping at Sherland. We're going to turn eastbound on Sherland, going into Blewett. Turn northbound 8th, northbound 8th. Continue, I'll keep calling it. 16's with me. Southern Charles 16's with me. I'm going to continue calling it northbound on 8th Street.
And for units of Blake Dickman.
Northbound on 8th, northbound on 8th. I'll be starting pursuit here.
This pursuit is taking place around the border of Illinois and Wisconsin. Officers from both the Bowie, Wisconsin Police Department and the Roscoe, Illinois Police Department are now involved in the chase.
Once again, this individual just shot a female there at South Bowie. Continuing northbound here at 60 miles an hour. We're in Trailblazer. I'm with the car pursuit. Hey, get out of 16.
Got modern traffic 85, we're going northbound 8th Street.
Just past Locust, continuing north on 8th. And we're through St. Lawrence. Still northbound.
Eastbound on Portland, eastbound on Portland. Eastbound, we're about 75 miles an hour, traffic picking up, moderate traffic, blue stop sign, almost 1050, hold on. Almost 1050.
We're going to be pulling up, getting downtown by the auto parts store. We're at 5th Avenue.
Passing 4th Street here, so eastbound. Anyway, you're going to get to the bridge.
We're going to continue eastbound past Riverside Boulevard, eastbound. Blue the red light here. Going into Woodward Avenue, we're getting into an apartment area, White and Woodward.
Light at Park Avenue, Park Avenue.
Continues.
North on Prairie Ave.
Prairie. I'm not sure if they're from White or Woodward.
So we got a bullet squad with us.
East on strong, east on strong. Hold trap.
He's down, he's not moving.
I gotta reload.
You guys good?
Strong 97.
Shots fired, officer, shots fired, suspect down.
You good?
I'm good. You alright, brother?
I'm good.
Your boss?
Well, no, I said good. He hit the squad. I don't think I got hit.
Why don't you put that way for him, man?
Yeah.
Let's go over here, alright? Alright.
You okay, bud?
Yeah, I'm good. He hit my front door and I
thought I was gonna get fucking hit.
If not for the officer's quick reaction to get back in his squad just in time, he would have gotten pinched inside of his own door from the sheer force of the suspect's vehicle.
I rammed them, so.
Coming in off of,
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good, brother.
Okay, where's he at?
The suspect. He's not moving. He's dead.
Coming off strong.
Alright. Alright, you good, boss.
Fucking killed that lady, I think. Come on now.
Check exam 1, I'm gonna go open the boys, see if they need anything up there.
I'm gonna keep this on for.
You good? I got my left one. You need anything, boss? No,
No, that's what the test. Yeah, well, I'll take a water, man.
Why don't you take a seat right here?
You want
man? Thanks, bro. I'll get you water.
If the ambulance comes to us at strong down 7 squad right now.
The suspect, later identified as 19-year-old Ray Castro of South Beloit, died at a local hospital due to gunshot wounds. The incident began as a simple traffic stop in Illinois that continued into Wisconsin. An officer pulled over a car that Castro was a passenger in at 9:10 in the morning on Highway 251 when the officer realized Castro had a warrant for his arrest. The struggled officers attempted to arrest him. The driver, a female juvenile, is said to have accelerated in the midst of officers arresting Castro, while an officer was knocked down from this noon was injured from the female fleeing. However, one officer fired his gun, which hit the female in the leg. Then immediately after the vehicle crossed the road and crashed into a ditch, the female was taken to a nearby hospital to treat their injuries, according to police. Castro then ran a nearby establishment, threatened aiming at knife point, and stole his car.
Fleeing north, at which point the police dash cam and body cam footage pick up the subsequent deadly events. The Roscoe police officer, who was nearly pinched in his squad's door, was taken to an Illinois hospital where he was treated for minor injuries and released. No other officers were injured during the incident. The Winnebago-Boone County Integrity Task Force and the Wisconsin Department of Criminal Investigations are still in the process of handling the investigation. The Rock County District Attorney will eventually review the DCI's investigation to determine whether criminal charges are necessary.